In this video, I'm going to give you 10 websites where you can make $100 a day from. This video is going to be jam-packed full of value. You don't want to miss it, so stay tuned. Okay, my friend, we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you these 10 websites to where you can make $100 a day from. Now, with some of these websites, you can make even more than that. You can make $200, $300, even up to $500 in a single day. Now, we're going to go ahead and get into it. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So the first website where you can make $100 a day from is called Joomla. Now, basically, you're going to get paid $2 to $4 for every email that you get them. Guys, they do pay, and I'm going to show you that right now. Basically, before I get into that, what Joomla is basically a CPA network. And guys, all you have to do is collect emails for them, and they will pay you decent money. And I'm going to show you that right here, guys. You can see $256. Now, this is not something that I do every day. I just wanted to join this program and test it out for you guys and see, do they really pay. You got to sign up for a PayPal account because that's how they pay you. They send your money to PayPal. As you can see down here, guys, I get paid $2 to $4 for every email that I get them. Now, they don't pay you on duplicate emails, and they also won't pay you if someone signs up in India. Now, you can join if you're in India. You just won't get paid when you sign someone up in India. And guy, like I said, there's no selling here. All you're going to be doing is getting them emails, and it's pretty damn simple, guys. And I'm going to leave all the links below to these programs and these websites that I'm going to share with you. But don't click on them now because we still have 9 more websites to go. The second website where you can make $100 a day from is Max Bounty. Now, Max Bounty is similar to Joomla. It's a CPA network, and the only difference is with Max Bounty, you have a ton of different options. You can go into the lose weight, get in shape industry, or you can go into the dating industry. They have so many different ways that you can make money inside this program. You don't have to just be tied down to make money from home. You can do other things. And guys, you can sign up with this program. Now, with this program, you have to get approved. It's not like Joomla to where you can just sign up. Both of them are 100% free. But with this one right here, you have to get approved. They're going to ask you questions. So don't be scared to answer them correctly. Make sure that everything is truthful. And they may even give you a call on the phone. And the conversation may not last no longer than 10 minutes. It's been a long time since I signed up with this program. But like I said, they use PayPal just like Joomla, and that is how they pay you. And I think you can also get them to cut you a check. But everyone needs a PayPal account, so definitely get a PayPal account because with most of these websites that I'm going to share with you, that's how they pay. Now, the third website where you can make $100 a day from is called Feature Points, guys. And you don't even need a computer with this. You can make money just by using your smartphone. You can use an Apple phone or Android phone. It really don't matter. You're going to be doing things like watching videos and stuff and getting paid. You only have to watch it for like a minute or two and you'll get paid. And the same here, you need PayPal account. But guys, this right here is simple. All you have to go to the website, download the app, and start earning. Now, the fourth website where you can make $100 a day from is Kindle Publishing. You can get paid $100 or more. There are people making a living from using this website by publishing ebooks. Now, if you don't know how to write ebooks, you can go to places like Upwork or Fiverr.com and pay someone to create your ebook, and you just publish it. You can see right here, guys, there are a ton of ebooks being published all the time, and this is a great way to make $100 or more every single day from the comfort of your own home. Now, the fifth website is Upwork. We just talked about Upwork. Guys, you can get paid good money for doing things for people. It's so many different ways, from web development, mobile development, design, writing, admin support, customer service, marketing, accounting. I come on here and I hire people all the time on Upwork. And I'm going to show you a screenshot here of some proof that I do. Right here, I've paid out $3,500 to people just like you. You can come on here and you can answer whatever someone wants you to do. You can answer phone calls, you can answer emails, you can manage people's social media accounts. Guys, you can make great money on Upwork. And you can also go to Fiverr, guys. That's just a bonus website. You can go to Fiverr and do the same thing. Make $100 or more per day by just simply helping people. Now, the sixth website where you can make $100 a day from is JVZoo. JVZoo is an affiliate company just like ClickBank. I'm pretty sure you've heard of ClickBank because it's been around for years. But you can come on here, guys, promote digital products and get paid. You can get paid good money on this website right here, guys, because it's, like I said, it's just like ClickBank. You've seen the money that people made in ClickBank. So yeah, come to JVZoo. You got to create an account. You got to set up a PayPal account and start promoting. Now, if you don't know how to promote these websites, stick with me through the end of this video, because I'm also going to show you some training that has helped me out and many other individuals. So yeah, JVZoo is definitely a good option. Now, the seventh website where you can make $100 a day from is Google AdSense. You can get paid by letting Google place ads on your blog or on your video. If you don't like creating videos, you can create blogs, guys, and get traffic to those blogs. Like I said, I'm going to show you some training on how you can do this, but you can place ads and get paid good money. If you want to do YouTube videos, you can make a ton of money. I've actually made money with Google AdSense, so it's 100% legit. The eighth way, or the eighth website where you can make $100 a day from is iWriter. Basically, you can come to iWriter and write articles and get paid. When you become an elite member, guys, you can make $80 per 500 words. And if you don't know how to type fast, I did a video last week to show you how you can get articles done very quickly. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to that video. But yeah, you can come here, become a writer, and start writing content and get paid $100, $200, $300 a day. Very easy. Now, the ninth website where you can make $100 a day from is MicroWorkers. Now, MicroWorkers is similar to Upwork. You can come on this website right here and you can do small tasks for people and get paid. I'm going to log in and show you that I'm actually a member of this website as well. I actually pay people to do things for me here. So I'm logging in. But yeah, guys, you can come over here and just do simple things, guys, like you can watch a YouTube video. You can come on here and you can like a post, share a post, whatever they have you do. Right here where it says payments at, you can get paid 30 cents, 15 cents, 96 cents. You can get paid, guys, up to $1. Look right here, $1.25 per task. So this is definitely a legit website. So look into that. Now, the last website where you can make $100 a day from, even more, guys. I've made, with this particular website right here, I've made up to like $5,000–$6,000 in a single day. I know it seems unreal, guys, but I'm going to show you proof of that right now. Now, the name of this site is called Legendary Marketer, and it's basically an affiliate site, guys. They will pay you to go out there, promote, and sell their training. That's all you got to do. And the good thing about this right here, guys, once you get involved, they're going to give you training on how to do this. Like those other websites that I shared with you, if you don't know how to promote them, Legendary Marketer will show you how to do it. And you also get your own coach So that's like a bonus. And guys, I highly recommend this site, even if you don't even choose to do any of those other websites. You can just make a ton of money with this. And I'm going to show you some payments here to show you that they pay. They pay every single week. As you can see right here, guys, the last payment I received was close to $10,000. That's in a single week. 7,000, 3,000, 14,000, 6,000, 5,000. Now, results are not typical, guys. I came into this program and I worked. I followed the training and I put it into action and I started making money. So this is not a sales video by any means, guys. I'm just trying to give value here. But if you choose to join this program, this is the only one that's not free. You have to pay to join this one, but you get so much more. Now, with the other websites that I shared with you, you can make good money with them, but you're definitely going to make way more money with something like Legendary Marketer. But guys, that's all I got. Those are the 10 websites where you can make $100 or more per day. And guys, I enjoyed you being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, click that subscribe button below. Tick on that notification bell so you'll be updated on future videos. And guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.